Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about Lambda functions. Lambda functions in Python are anonymous functions defined using the keyword lambda, followed by parameters and an expression. They are commonly used for short and temporary functions. For instance, a typical use case is sorting objects based on specific criteria without defining a separate function. In the given example, the regular function addxy can be rewritten as a lambda function. Add equals lambda xy x plus y. This lambda function is equivalent to the original add function, showcasing how lambda functions can encapsulate functionality concisely. Lambda functions in Python are defined using the lambda keyword followed by parameters and an expression. They can take any number of arguments but have only one expression. Lambda functions are often used for simple one-liner functions, where a full function definition would be unnecessary. For instance, a lambda function can quickly calculate the square of a number by using the expression x*2. Similarly, a lambda function with multiple parameters, like lambda xy can be used to multiply two given values. Lambda functions are commonly utilized in scenarios where a short, disposable function is needed, such as in built-in functions like map, filter, and sorted. Implementing quick mathematical operations, filtering data, or sorting elements are exemplar cases where lambda functions prove to be efficient and concise solutions. Lambda functions are anonymous functions defined with the lambda keyword and lack a name. They are frequently utilized with functions like map, filter, and reduce. For instance, in Python, lambda functions can be employed to transform elements in a list using map or select specific elements using filter. In addition, lambda functions can be applied in sorting operations by specifying a custom key function in functions like sorted. An illustration involves squaring numbers in a list with map, filtering even numbers from a list with filter, and sorting a list of names based on their lengths using sorted. A lambda function is like a food truck that serves quick and easy meals without the need for a full restaurant setup. Just like how you can order and enjoy a meal from a food truck without going inside a restaurant, you can use a lambda function to perform a specific task without creating a full-fledged function. The food truck owner can quickly set up a temporary kitchen and serve customers, similar to how a programmer can quickly create and use a lambda function for specific tasks in their code without defining a separate function. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. In the provided code snippet, lambda functions are depicted as a comparison to food trucks. Just as food trucks offer quick and convenient meals, lambda functions provide a swift and efficient way to perform tasks in Python without the formality of defining a separate function. In example 1, a lambda function named double is used to double an input number quickly without the need for a traditional function definition. This showcases the simplicity and directness of lambda functions. Example 2 demonstrates sorting a list of tuples based on the second element. The key parameter in the sort function utilizes a lambda function to specify the sorting criteria efficiently without explicitly defining a comparison function. In example 3, a list of numbers is filtered to extract only the even numbers using a lambda function with the filter function. This showcases the capability of lambda functions to filter data based on specific conditions. Lastly, example 4 showcases the use of lambda functions with the map function to map a list of strings to their respective lengths, providing a concise way to transform data without the need for a named function. Like food trucks that offer quick, on-the-go meals, lambda functions in Python provide a convenient way to address temporary or specific tasks swiftly and directly. They offer a flexible and concise solution for coding needs, making them ideal for simple operations or one-time use cases. Lambda functions, also known as anonymous functions, find applications in various industrial scenarios, leveraging their concise nature and functionality. One essential application of lambda functions is in web development for handling asynchronous tasks. For instance, in Node.js, Lambda functions are commonly used in callbacks for event-driven architecture to handle tasks that occur asynchronously, providing an efficient and compact solution. Moreover, Lambda functions are extensively utilized in data science and machine learning pipelines for pre-processing tasks such as feature engineering. By using Lambda functions within data transformation steps, data scientists can efficiently manipulate and clean datasets without the need for defining separate functions, streamlining the data processing workflow. In conclusion, Lambda functions serve as versatile tools across industries, offering a convenient and flexible approach to handle specific tasks effectively while maintaining code readability and conciseness. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.